Hi! Welcome to the City of Masters. Drag black clothes into the washing machine. You did it! Keep going! Done! Drag green clothes into the washing machine. Done! Try again. That's it! Ready! Drag gray clothes into the washing machine. You're doing a great job. That's it. Keep it up. Drag orange clothes into the washing machine. You did it! You're doing a great job. Keep going. Drag pink clothes into the washing machine. That's it! Keep going! Keep up the great work! Drag cyan clothes into the washing machine. You did it! Yay! Done! Drag white clothes into the washing machine. Yay! That's it! Keep up the great work! Drag blue clothes into the washing machine. You're doing a great job. Ready? You did it! Drag red clothes into the washing machine. You did it! Great job! Great job! Drag brown clothes into the washing machine. Keep up the great work. Keep going. Keep up the great work. Drag yellow clothes into the washing machine. Keep up the great work. Great job! Keep going. Drag purple clothes into the washing machine. Done! Great job! Great job! Drag green clothes into the washing machine. That's it! Keep it up! Great job!